Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm doing a video today on floor plans because I get asked all the time, what floor plans do we use for our pre and post clients and the builder? So I'm here today showing you a screen share recording of floorplanner.com and what we use. So let's get on. So this is what I use, floorplanner.com. As I said, I'm going to walk you through what I do. So as you can see, I've done a few here. All you need to do is go on create project, which is literally there. You could type in your street name. If it's called, I don't know, blue green houses, whatever it may be, or stokestreet.com, whatever you want to call it, you call it what you want. I'd advise, don't use Room Wizard, I'd use Empty Plan. The reason being, you can start off from scratch, you can get to know the system and understand how it works. So what you can do is either go on Draw Room and draw squares. By doing that, you can click on and get all your sizes. The biggest thing for me, as you can see, this is currently in feet. That's not the best. Down the bottom left here, I convert that to meters. Zoom in. You can see 6.3 meters in length, and click on the screen, drag it up 5.3 wide. If you think this front room is wider, click on the side, drag it forward and back. Remember, 6.02 at the bottom just here and 5.7 internal measurements, which it shows exactly there as well. So let's just do this on a 2-bed terraced house. Most people know what they look like and how they work. So let's just say this is 5.1 meters wide and it is 6.31 length, as we've got already done. If not, as I said, adjust them. What you have at the back, draw room, you normally have a kitchen. Bear with me, drag down. You normally have a kitchen and a rear bathroom. So draw room, line your arrow up, click, drag it along roughly, and do your long extension. As I said, click on everything, make sure your measurements are correct. Zoom in if you can't quite see. Drag your screen along. That's a bit too big. So click. As you can see at the top of the screen, the bottom, it shows you your internal measurements. If you're going to go for 3 meters, okay, close as. Drag it down. You can literally see there. I'll go for 3 meters in width, and you are come on. There you go. So you are currently 6.73, 6.7 let's go for, in length. Remember, what I've done there is I've measured from this wall here all the way to this wall here. So I've gone from the kitchen, I've opened the bathroom door, gone to that wall, okay? It's easier than drawing 2 multiple rooms. Draw a wall. The walls go in there to separate the kitchen and the bathroom. Sometimes you may have another wall here. So same again. Just remember your lengths. Check you're happy. Click on that. Is your internal length right for your kitchen? If it is 3.71, let it go there. If your internal measurements here is 1.1 wide and look above at the top of the screen, 1.52 in the bathroom, perfect, let that go. Then once you've got your building set out, zoom out, yep, that looks about right, something like that. Don't forget your middle. Draw walls. You will either have an open lounge, which I'll leave that open. Another wall there. You may have both ones open. So what you could do is either draw a wall all the way across, or you can leave it to there. Depends on where your staircase falls. I'm just going to put it like that. Then I'm going to drag that to there. So now that could be your staircase. So for the moment, type in staircase and tick. That one is the living room at the moment, or the kitchen. Let's just click on a section over here. You can click on any layout. It's currently saying living room. To the left, kitchen. Drag it down. That will be a bathroom. Come on, if it wants to move. you can call that a utility, if that's where the washer or the dryer might be. But same again, always work out what's going to where. You might have another wall in here. It's just about, but you'll see now what's not happened. The rooms haven't separated. You can blatantly see a gap. Put your arrow up to the circle, drag that up, and it's separated, okay? You can then click on that, look through your functions. What shall I call this? I'll call it a hallway, yeah? So you can see all I'm doing is making squares at the moment. You walk in, that is a living room, yeah, or you can call it dining, kitchen. Well, let's just say dining for argument's sake. Now, staircase. Okay, that's the first bit you need to do. Make sure you got your layout. Make sure you got your measurements internal. That's perfectly done. Then go to your windows and doors. I'd say up here, 2 or 3D. You can't really tell what the 2D is. 3D, just hover over them. Standard door. Classic door. Scroll down. Let's go for, what's that one? It's a sliding door, okay? So you get to know your doors. Put your doors where they currently are. Let's say there's one there. Let's say you've got one back into the kitchen. You've got another one into the bathroom. You might have one into the utility space. And look over here, front door. Just for argument's sake, I'll put the front door onto the back. Save me finding the back door. You go back onto doors. Another front door is there. Okay, that's the first bit on doors. All you need to do, zoom in. Go to your door. If your door opens a different way, click on your door. These buttons, one hinges left to right, one is front to rear. So the door opens outwards. It doesn't normally open outwards on a street, but it does open inwards. If your door does open that way, just flick it around, okay? Do that exactly the same for all your doors. As you can see, I've missed a door. There you go. I will get off that. I will spin. That door normally opens the other way. There you go. Just literally work through all your doors. That's okay. That's okay. I mean, there's a lot of doors there that are sort of contrasting. You might not have a door there, but just to show you what can be done or not done. Yep. So that's the doors. Now onto the windows. Click your windows. I do exactly the same. Let me zoom in. Click on the screen. Scroll up. On your windows. Click on windows. Same again. You can't really tell on 2D. Definitely do it on 3D. Have a look through your windows, what are available. Is it a triple, double, single? Okay, on this one I'm going to put a double large frontal. It seems small, right? So same again with your doors. Click on your doors. If you've measured, if your front door is 110 wide, make 110. If your internals up here, double click. If that door's only, let's say 95, it's not a lot, but you can change it. But if you've got some that are really small, 80 inch or 80 centimeters, click on them. The window, bear in mind, that is a small window. The width of your window, let's say we've got 165 width. So this will get you to know how to measure when you're going to measure up your potential house or HMO. You want the internal length and width of the rooms, the measurements of your door width, the measurements of your window widths, the actual gap from the right of your window, the gap the left of your doors, the gap from your door to your windows, because that window might be over here, it might be over there. Just remember, where does it go? You want it in the right place so you can locate the correct items in that room. So that's all really what you've got to do. And that gives you a good overview of your 2D floor plan. All you do then is go and export as 2D, put your email in the bottom and send that to yourself. You can then give that to a builder. You can give that to, say it's a HMO, to your HMO officer. Say, look, this is what I've got. But your HMO officer will no doubt want more in depth. So if you're creating bedrooms, you will show a wall in here. If, let's just do another example, Let's put a wall in. Let's just say you're going to make this a HMO. You're going to have a wall slightly down here. It's not very straight. Grab that. You can move, so you can see move everything around. Yeah. So let's zoom in. Now you've created that as a bedroom or HMO. Click on it. Change it to bedroom. Okay. And up in the left, you can type in bedroom 1 if you want to, then click the button. It shows the floor area, okay? So then you can show, one of the things it'll ask is, what's the floor area size, please? You've already done that. If you're putting an ensuite in this room, this is where it works well, because, same again, put your wall in, take your measurements. Normally, look, yeah, I'll show you. So an ensuite, if you're going to do, let's say, 1,000 tray, so you want a 1 meter internal size. So look at the 1 meter, I'll put it 1.01. Then your length, you might want it at 2.5 meters in length. Remember, most HMOs won't allow you to put the measurement of the room as part of the ensuite. You can see it's all one room. The reason why it's done that is these walls aren't attached yet. Hover over. Has that gone to the correct function? Yes. This one, hover over. You can see that circle is not quite on that wall. Drag that up. It lines up. Let go. There you go. So click on it again. Do exactly the same. You can put bathroom. You can type it ensuite if you want. The only difference is when you click on that, the reason why it says bathroom, if you want to use this sort of magic plan, it will create a bathroom for you. That's the reason why it says bathroom. So yeah, so now you can see you got a 2.6 meter ensuite, which is not including the bedroom size, but you've got a 7.2 meter bedroom. You can imagine if this was, in layman's terms, a bigger ensuite, 6.4. At present in Stoke, 6.5 to a single bedroom. That wouldn't meet regulations. So you can see, or tell your builder, I'm sorry, we can't have a 1.3 meter tray, 1.5. It needs to be maximum of a 1 meter tray to make this work. You can see where I'm coming from. So straight away, living room, change that to your bathroom, tick the left. You can see now it's 7.3. It might meet your criteria. So I'll quickly move on. So you can put your own furniture in, beds, anything you want to do, living room furniture, bedroom furniture, bathrooms, etc. So you can put your bed in. You can see that's a massive bed, right? Click on the bed, look on the left, small doubles 120 wide. Change your bed to your spec, flick your bed around, where you're going to put your bed. It might move out of the way. It might work here. That is a small gap. Might work here. Don't forget, you haven't put your bathroom door in. Is your bathroom door going to be opening in? Is it going to be opening out? Normally, what we do, shower tray left here or right. So let's say left. The toilet opposite the shower tray and a sink in the middle. That allows ensuites to work. Going back to here, so you've done doors, you've done all the windows. You want a structure. Same again, 2D isn't that good to look at. Use 3D. Staircase. Where do you want your staircase? Let's try the staircase. Oh, staircase, it hasn't gone in. Click on the staircase, spin it round, put the staircase where you want it. Exactly before, click on what's the length, what's the width. Okay, if it's a 1 meter staircase, it's just, okay, put your staircase in. It just shows intent of where everything's going to go. Yeah, so I hope that's helped. That is floorplanner.com. Really easy to use once you get to know how to do it. You can draw your own walls, you can make your own rooms. Like I said, make your rooms, do your windows, do your doors, check your measurements are correct, put your ensuites in, 100% click up here to show you the bedroom sizes. You can go further, you can put light switches in, sockets, but if you want to do it quickly for your HMO, get this section done, show your bedroom sizes, print that off, then manually write in where all your fire panels are, smoke alarms, etc. So thanks for tuning in. I hope this helped, and I'll speak to you soon.